Everything you knew about human progress is 100% wrong. We stand here arrogant, holding our shiny new technological toys. Did you know ancient humans flew drone prototypes, built unbreakable concrete, and coded star computers 12,000 years ago in dust? We draw tech history as a straight arrow, moving from fire to crude wheels, then suddenly jumping to jets just now. Our ancestors are mocked as simple pyramid stackers, lucky if they survived to 30. But that is a complete historical lie. Digs in 2026 unearth relics defying labs. Göbekli star maps predate wheels, while nanoblades slice through heavy armor. 7 tech secret science still chokes on. Giant rocks hauled without cranes. Laser-cut steel. And the reason why we buried it all. It starts where no wheels rolled, no metals forged, yet temples tracked stars true. 12,000 years back, deep in Turkey. Göbekli Tepe rises from dust, and 2026 debates rage. No cities, no farms found, just an empty ancient wasteland. T-pillars loom 300 tons each, beasts carved alive. No wheels, no copper, no script. Who dragged these massive stones here? Slave hordes? No traces found. These pillars pinpoint meteors and solar cycles sharper than our modern scopes could ever hope to. 2025 lasers reveal eclipse forecasts and star orbits outpacing Babylon. Did hunters build this? Or a lost pre-civilization? Climax. Deliberate bury layers, wiping hands clean. Who? Why? Göbekli murmurs that humans touched stars before they ever knew plows. Turkey epic. Egypt shrinks it. Saqqara Bird, 2,300 years old. Curved wings, tail upright, arrow ratio absolutely flawless. Paper plane, test model. Put it in a wind tunnel, it glides 10 seconds, steadier than cheap 2026 drones. Cairo Museum shelves it, but 2024 wind tests prove true lift. Did Egypt soar 1,000 years pre-Da Vinci? Not just flight. They drilled granite like steel. Aswan cores, granite, alabaster saw-teeth spirals deep without any modern heavy machines. 2026 MIT copies flop, needs diamond at 3,000 RPM. Ancient's tool? Soft copper? The secret remains buried. Secret in unfinished obelisks, 500 tons, laser clean cuts. From birds to immortal concrete, Rome 2,000 years ago mixed Pantheon brew. Quake-proof, sea-proof. Formula lost hours crumbles decades later. 2025 scans reveal volcanic ash, burnt lime, and nanoratios. Self-heals cracks. Modern chases fail. Rome scoffs. Largest dome ever, 2,000 years unbowed. A truly divine pour of engineering. Now Damascus steel, medieval Arab blades slice flying hair, bend unbreakable. Recreate? Nope. Nanocarbon nanotubes self-align in wavy secrets. Ancient forges used what? Honey, salt, clay thermal magic? Those swords cleaved iron plate like paper. We half recreate, lost edge. Shift to Delhi iron pillar, 500 years, 6 tons exposed, rust-free. 2026 NASA probes find self-forming phosphor crystals. Block oxygen. 99% pure steel, tech 2,000 years ahead. Gupta hammers what? Secret buried with dynasty. Pillar taunts us. Why can't space age us copy? Not just metals. Roman Dodecahedrons, hundreds of 12-faced brass orbs with even holes found everywhere. Purpose? Compass? Toy? Survey tool? 2025 3D scans show 108-degree angles perfect. Winterland measure? No theory fits. Warehoused Enigma. Rome nanoed first, now power. Baghdad Battery redux. Parthians 2,000 years ago, clay jar. Copper iron, acid 0.8 volts. 2026 replicas light dim LEDs. Gold plate or shock therapy? Egyptian tomb smokeless. Electric lamps? Battery leads computers? Antikythera, 2,000 years, 30 gears, stars, eclipses, Olympics. 1 degree accuracy, elliptic moon, pre-Aristotle. 2026 X-rays bear engraved guides. Greeks analog computed pre-IBM 3,000 years. Megastructures peak, Baalbek, Lebanon. 1,200-ton stones, Jupiter base. Modern cranes lift? No. 2025 drones scan microflat cuts, mortarless lock. Who hauled over mountains? Nan Madol Pacific, floating Venice, 500,000-ton basalt stacks mortar-free hydraulic canals. Built 2,000 years ago, no tools. 2026 expeds find tsunami walls, star-aligned. Who built this? Kailasa, India. Mountain temple monolithic, 200,000 tons top-down carved against gravity. 3 centuries dug, no blasts, just chisels. 2026 LiDAR reveals secret halls, lifelike icons. Ellora riddle, vibration cut, final tragedy supreme. Huron Aeolipile. Spins 500 RPM steam protojet turbine. Why no industrial rev? Slaves cheaper than machines. Ancient society thrived on bones. Tech threatened. Knowledge burned in libraries, empire's dust. We reinvent 1,700 years late. 7 remnants remain. Göbekli stars pre-wheels, Saqqara drone proto, Immortal concrete, Damascus steel, Delhi pillar, Dodecahedrons, Antikythera, Baalbek giants. No dusty cases. Proof we summited once, crashed abyss, fumbled dark millennia. History spirals vicious, peaks and plunges. Less create, more recall. Losses chill spine. Great sieves forgot pinnacles us immune? 5,000 years on, future archaeologists. Unearth your smartphone, ponder. God's tech or ritual mirror? Grip knowledge tight. History warns, forget, repeat. We must preserve what we know. The cycle of destruction is waiting. Do not let the dark ages return to us. Our civilization is fragile. One solar flare, one war, and we are back to stone. Learn from the ancient ruins. This is AI Historical Revival. If you want to uncover more lost truths, join our journey into the forgotten past. The truth is out there, buried in the sand. Thank you for watching. See you in the next discovery. Goodbye. We are the witnesses of time. Every stone tells a story of glory and demise. Open your eyes to the past. Nature is patient. It waits for us to fail. But our curiosity is the weapon against oblivion. Keep searching. The stars do not change. They watch them. We watch them. The same sky, different tools, same human questions. Wonder is the spark of invention. When we look back, we fuel the engine that drives us forward to tomorrow. Inspire the next generation. Let them know that genius is not new. It is a heritage we must reclaim. Science thrives on challenge. Disagreement is the path to truth. We must question every textbook we have ever read. The Amazon hides cities. The Sahara hides rivers. The ocean hides empires. We have scratched only the surface. Beneath the waves, silent guardians wait. They hold the answers to how we survived the last ice age cataclysm. Water, not whips. Intelligence, not brute force. We underestimated their minds because we overestimated our own machines. Technology is a tool, not a savior. The ancients knew this. They built for eternity. We build for the trash can. Steel rusts, glass breaks, concrete cracks, but stone stands. Stone remembers. What will be left of us in 10 millennia? Rewrite the books. Tear out the pages that say we are the first. Humility is the lesson of the ruins. A grid across the earth. A network of power we forgot how to plug into. Were they connected globally? Imagine a web of light. Not internet, but something deeper. Resonance, frequency. A technology of the earth itself. Sound levitation? Vibration cutting? The physics of sound might be the key to the impossible stones of Baalbek. We use sound to see babies in wombs. They might have used sound to move mountains. A different branch of physics. Temple layouts mimic circuit boards. Energy flow, capacitors, resistors. Were temples machines made of stone and geometry? Wireless power. Tesla dreamed it. Did Egypt achieve it? The evidence is circumstantial, but the logic is terrifyingly sound. Tesla claimed he spoke to the past. Maybe he was just remembering what we all forgot. The cycle completes itself. Time eats everything, but truth is indigestible. It waits in the belly of history, waiting to be spit out again. Break the hourglass. Stop thinking in lines. Think in circles. What has happened will happen again. Be ready. The code is in our blood. The memory of greatness is locked in our DNA.
Wait, what
We
about
just
the new
need the
update?
key.
That's not
You are
true,
the key.
source it.
Oh,
Your
I see.
curiosity
Makes sense
unlocks the
now.
door.
But the
Don't let the
performance
mainstream
issues are
narrative
still
put your
there.
mind to sleep. Join the debate. Share this video. Wake up others. The more we search, the more we find. The revolution is here.
The AI highlights
If this
the
history
anomaly
makes you
right
question reality,
Okay, running
hit
a
that
spectral
like button.
analysis now.
It helps our algorithm defeat the
The
silence of
ceramic
the
signature
ages.
confirms it?
We are AI historical revival. We use the future to decode the past. We are just getting started with these secrets. Next time, we go to the Sahara, the Eye of Africa. Is it Atlantis? You won't believe what we found. Keep the flame alive. Do not let the darkness win. Knowledge is the only light we have in this vast universe. From the moon to the deep sea, we are explorers. It is what we do. It is who we are. This is the end of the video, but the beginning of your journey. Subscribe now. AI Historical Revival, signing off.